all. I am Manali and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button for some fun vlogs, styling videos and product reviews. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for my birthday, and I saw this video on Mridul Sharma's channel and it was also my birthday this month, so I thought why not make this video. And let me tell you guys, I'm not making this video to show off or anything. I just want to share what I got for my birthday, and you guys will also watch me using this product soon in my videos. So yeah, it's like a fun haul. Okay, so first let's start with products that I got for myself. And if you guys have seen my birthday vlog, you guys know that I've ordered a couple of stuff from Pretty Little Things, and if you haven't watched it yet, I'll link the vlog at the end of this video so that you can watch it later on. And yeah, coming back, so I ordered a few stuff from Pretty Little Things. The first one is this cute little black dress, and I actually also wore it on my birthday, and I was not sure while I was getting this product because the flowers and all, it's a little too much for my liking, you know, but it looks so stunning when I wear it. I absolutely love this piece. The next piece is my most favorite. It is this pastel orange kind of dress with puffed sleeves, and I absolutely love the color and pattern of it, like the material of it. The mesh looks so good, and yeah, it has a v-neck. The neck is slightly low, but I love how it fits me, and I literally can't wait to wear it outside. So next up, I have two tops. The first one is this cute burnt orange kind of top with a v-neck. I actually love wearing v-necks and straight necklines, so yeah. And it also has a cute tie-up thingy going on at the back. So yeah, that's my third purchase from Pretty Little Things. So coming to the last item, and yeah, item na, I'm not sure where and if I'm going to wear it. It is this neon bralette top with a single string back, and I know where can I probably wear this. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think girls can relate buying stuff they won't wear, but they get it anyways just because it's cute and they like it and they want to own it. So yeah, this is one of those purchases. And yeah, with that, I'm done with the items that I got for myself, and let's begin with the gifts now. So I'll start with the makeup, and let me tell you guys, I've received so much makeup this time. Like seriously, I have never received so much makeup as gift on any of my birthdays. So yeah, I'm super happy and grateful to receive all these gifts. Starting with the gift that I received first, it was sent by Kautuk, and this actually came home even before my birthday. And this is the Shake Your Pum Pums eyeshadow palette from the Too Faced, and this is such a gorgeous eyeshadow palette, you guys. I mean, I have never owned high-end products before this, so I'm so excited to use this. And this palette though, starting from the packaging to the shades, I love absolutely everything about it. It's such a pretty palette and I can't wait to use it. So the next gift is from my mama. I told him that I want a gift and he was like, क्या चाहिए बता? तो मैंने सोचा ये सही है यार. Actually, I was thinking to upgrade my makeup for a while now, so I got 3 things. So the first product is MAC Studio Fix Foundation, and ये जब आया तब मैं bottle देख के इतना डर गई थी, you guys. I mean, I obviously got it in the wrong shade, and this looks so lighter than my skin, you guys. Can you see the difference? But then I did a patch test and it kind of oxidizes after some time. तो उसके बाद थोड़ा ठीक लगता है skin पे. It is still lighter than my skin tone but workable. So yeah, I can probably mix it with some other foundation, like a deeper tone, and then use it. So that's the first product. Okay, so next we have the Benefits Boing Concealer. The packaging looks so cute, but it's so expensive, you guys. I mean, more than 2k for just 5 ml of product. That is too much. I wouldn't have got it if this wasn't a gift, to be honest. Also, I wanted to try out products from different brands, so I made sure that I picked one product from alag brands, you know, so that I have like I can try out different brands and see how they work. And the third product is the Laneige lip balm, and I wanted to know if this product is worth the hype. And this is so freaking good, you guys. I mean, now I know why people are obsessing so much over it. Moving on. Yes, another Nykaa box, and this is Swapnil's gift, and I'll start with the biggest product in the box. These are the lip crayons by Sugar Cosmetics, and I haven't really tried lip crayons before. Nope, I haven't. So yeah, I'm excited to try them out, and I haven't really used any of these products yet, you guys, except the Laneige lip balm, because I literally need a lip balm, a good lip balm. So I started using that, but nothing else. And yeah, ये वीडियो को actually थोड़ा लेट ही हो गया है. I wanted to post it after my birthday vlog, but then I had to put some other videos first. So yeah, but anyways, moving on to the next product, again by Sugar Cosmetics. It is their Coral Climax blush. Now I love coral shades when it comes to blush. So yeah, this is a nice blush. So next up I have 3 products from Smashbox. First one is their Photo Finish Primer. Then I have their Mini Matte Duo Lipsticks. And the third product is their Super Fan Mascara. Now I once told Swapnil that I wanted to try out their primer and the lipstick duos. So I'm glad that he actually listens to my bud, and good job, boyfriend. So that was all the makeup, and now let's move on to clothes. I feel this video is getting long, so I'll be quick. My Mazi got me these pants, and I totally love the vibe of it. Like, it's so fun and comfy, like perfect for a casual day out. And next I have these pair of white jeans, and it is actually flared at the bottom, like boot cuts, not super flared. And I actually wanted to try out the boot cuts of flared jeans, but I'm short, so I wasn't sure how it will fit me. And this jeans is also slightly long for me, so I might have to alter it, but I love how it looks on me when I wear it. So yeah, thanks Dipali. Okay, so next up is Purva's gift, and this is the first time that she has probably gifted me something. So yeah, so first we have this deep blue floral dress, very similar to the one that I wore on my birthday. I actually also wore this on my birthday, like the later half of my birthday. Watch the vlog if you haven't watched it already. And yeah, so this is the first dress. So next I have this peachy floral top. It has a V-neck. It has straps so that my shoulder shows. Just perfect. And I love the floral print, yaar. Actually, I'm not a floral person, like I'm not into florals, you know, but now that I have them, I'm like, they are not bad, you know. Why don't I have more florals? So yeah, with that, the clothing bit is over. Coming to other gifts, I got this box of chocolate from Sushan Sanket, and these are like almond, hazelnut and raisins coated with milk chocolate. And now I don't like raisins in my chocolate, but the almond and the hazelnut ones were so good. Like, this dabba is empty right now, and I literally finished it in 2 days. So that's how yummy they were. Sorry if the lighting has changed, that's because my camera died, so I had to charge it again. But yeah, moving on to other gifts. So next I have these cute pair of shoes, and these shoes are really special to me, you guys. Not because they are cute and all, but they are gifted to me by a very special person. Now, the people that I mentioned earlier, my friends, we know each other for years now. Like, we are friends since a very long time. And then I went to Delhi once for a project, and there I met this sweetheart Renu, and we were together for like 5 days, like not even a week. And then I came back to Mumbai and life continued. But you know, you instantly just connect with some people. Like, you don't need to know each other for a very long time. You just meet and you vibe. So she's just one of them. And speaking of Delhi, another really close friend of mine whom I met through the same project in Delhi, Sudeep sent me a lovely cake. Now I know it's not a gift, but it was a gesture that made my day. And thanks to everyone who sent me birthday wishes. I mean, you probably don't know me personally, but still you made time to write me a birthday greeting. That is so valuable to me, you guys. And I'm so grateful for everything and everyone that I have in my life, including you, my diamonds. I mean, you guys are such an important part of my life. I guess I'm talking a lot, but I just can't help it. And yeah, that was the whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means the world to me, and I love you so much, you all. And we'll see you next time, diamonds. Bye bye.